In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-forward messages from private Telegram channels or bots. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable setup that collects updates in one place without a lot of manual copying. As always, make sure you only forward content you have permission to share, and follow Telegram's terms and the rules of the channels you are in. Start by opening the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Make sure it's updated so everything looks and works as expected. Once you are in, go to the search bar at the top. Type Auto Forward MSG Bot. You are looking for the bot designed specifically for automated forwarding. It's known for handling parallel forwards efficiently, and, importantly, it doesn't require you to be an admin in the source channel to do its job. Since there can be similarly named bots, take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct one by checking its profile details and description. Open the bot's chat and tap Start. This begins your session with the bot and lets it present the on-screen instructions you'll use. Keep in mind that bots are third-party tools, so don't share private information in chat unless it's clearly required and safe. Typically, the bot will greet you, explain its capabilities, and show you how to proceed. If you ever feel unsure, scroll up through the bot's messages. They usually include a concise help summary. Next, add the bot to a group or channel. This is how you tell Telegram where the forwarded messages should appear. When you add it, you may be asked to choose the destination space, and the bot may prompt you to confirm the source you want to forward from. Follow the prompts in the chat carefully so the bot knows both where to pull messages from and where to send them. The bot is designed to work even if you are not an admin in the source channel, which makes setup simpler, and it can manage multiple sources in parallel so you don't miss anything. From this point onward, your messages will auto-forward from the groups and channels you've set up. You can usually fine-tune behavior through the bot's commands or settings messages, such as pausing, removing a source, or changing a destination, all within the chat. If something isn't forwarding as expected, double-check that the bot is still a member of your destination space and that you haven't muted or restricted it there. That's it. Thanks for watching.